Have you ever wondered why some people learn English so fast while others struggle for many years? It is not because they are super geniuses or have some magical talent hidden deep inside of them. The real secret is much simpler than you think, and it does not require a pile of gold coins at all. Forget those boring grammar books that feel like they were written by an angry robot from the past. You do not need an expensive teacher who charges you for every single breath you take in the class. Success in English is built on tiny habits that you repeat every single morning after you wake up. Imagine your brain is like a muscle that needs a gentle stretch instead of a heavy lifting session. If you want to speak like a pro, you must stop being a perfectionist who is afraid of making errors. First, let us talk about the famous shower speech, which is the easiest way to start your daily practice. While you are washing your hair, try to describe your plans for the day as if you are a movie star. Nobody can hear your mistakes in the shower, so feel free to shout and sound as dramatic as you like. This helps your mouth get used to the strange sounds of English without any social pressure at all. Second, you should turn your phone into an English island by changing the system language right now. It might be a bit confusing at first, but your brain will learn the new words through pure necessity. When you see your settings in English every day, those technical terms will become your best friends. Third, stop listening to boring audio lessons and start finding podcasts that actually make you laugh. You do not have to understand every single word, as long as you can follow the general flow of ideas. Your ears are like a sponge that needs to be soaked in the rhythm and the melody of a native speaker. Fourth, you must play the mimicry game by copying the exact way your favorite actors talk in movies. Do not just listen to them, but repeat their lines with the same emotion and the same hand gestures. If they sound angry, you should sound angry too, because English is more about feeling than grammar. Fifth, stop memorizing long lists of words, because they are as useless as a chocolate teapot in July. Instead, learn short phrases that you can actually use when you go to a cafe or talk to a stranger. A word is just a brick, but a phrase is a whole wall that helps you build your house much faster now. Sixth, keep a tiny journal where you write down only 3 sentences about your feelings every night. You do not need to write a whole novel, just a few simple thoughts to organize your brain in English. This habit builds a bridge between your internal thoughts and the words you choose to say out loud. Seventh, find one short news article every day and read it out loud to practice your vocal endurance. Pay attention to how the sentences are glued together and try to guess the meaning of new adjectives. Eighth, you must learn to love your mistakes because they are the signs that you are truly improving. Every time you say something wrong, your brain creates a new path to find the correct version later. Think of errors as free lessons that you give to yourself, instead of paying a tutor a lot of money. Ninth, follow the 5-minute rule whenever you feel too lazy to study or practice your speaking skills. Tell yourself that you will only do 5 minutes, and usually, you will find it easy to keep going on. Consistency is much more powerful than intensity, so 5 minutes every day is better than 10 hours. 10th, you need to connect English to your real hobbies like cooking, gaming, or even heavy lifting. If you love baking, follow a recipe in English and try not to burn your cookies while you are reading. When English becomes a tool for your passion, you will forget that you are actually studying a language. Fluency is not a giant mountain that you have to climb in one day, but a long road with many stops. You are the driver of this car, and these 10 habits are the fuel that keeps your engine running well. Do not worry about being perfect today. Just focus on being a little bit better than you were yesterday. If you stay consistent for just 1 month, you will be shocked at how much your confidence will grow. People will start to notice that you speak more smoothly and that your voice sounds much more natural. Remember that even the most advanced speakers once struggled to say simple things like hello or goodbye. They did not quit when things got difficult, and they kept practicing their habits every single week. Now, I want you to pick just 2 habits from this list and start doing them right after this video ends. Write your chosen habits in the comments section below so we can support each other on this journey. If you enjoyed these tips, please hit the like button and share this video with a friend who is learning. Subscribe for more simple and fun lessons that will help you master English without any extra stress. Thank you so much for watching, and I truly believe that you can achieve your goals if you keep going. Always remember that small steps taken every day lead to big results that will change your entire life. You have the power to become a fluent speaker if you just trust the process and enjoy the daily ride. See you in the next lesson, where we will explore more secrets to make your English journey successful.